Today I will show you how to complete your reading workshop and writing workshop assignments on a tablet. First, go to Google Classrooms, then go to Classwork, then choose either the reading workshop or writing workshop assignment. Let's click on the reading workshop assignment for now. As usual, here are the directions to complete your assignment. Here are some websites and videos to help you. To get started on your work, please go to the bottom where it says your work and click the arrow. This will pop up. You see the yellow box with the white line through it? That's your assignment, so please click on that. A graphic organizer that you can type in will appear. All the places where it says right here in red are the places where you're supposed to type your answers. But as you can see, when I'm using a tablet, it won't let me type. When I'm using a computer or a laptop, I can type right away. But with a tablet, it will not let me type. So this is what you can do. On the upper right-hand corner, there's a box with an arrow. Please click that. This is actually the Google Slides app. It'll probably ask you if you want to download the app. Please download the app. It looks like this. That's what it looks like. With the Google Slides app, when this opens, you are now able to type your answer here. Like that. There's no need for you to press save because it saves automatically to your account. I hope this helps.